today we're off somewhere really exciting. We're going to the MECCA press event for the holiday season. It's really fun because we get to see all the new releases before they come out. So if you'd like to tag along on my little sneak peek, stay tuned.
Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. Look, there's ice cream. Oh my gosh. Well, one thing's for sure, I'm definitely spoiled for choice this year. The design for the MECCA bag this year is so pretty. NARS have definitely outdone themselves this year with the packaging of their new spiked Audacious lipsticks. Look at these. SMASHBOX delivering the goods as usual with their HOLIDAZE contour and spotlight palette. Look at the packaging. Oh my gosh. Finally made it over to MECCA's signature line. The minis make amazing stocking stuffers and KK presents. I just need a moment. Like this packaging, oh my gosh. This advent calendar is so cute. Look at all the minis. And the case itself would make such a nice display. Look at these brushes. I live for rose gold. Well, isn't she a little head turner? Look at this. This is the MECCA Sunset Trio palette. So cute. Oh, it's so little. Oh, I want it just because it's small. We have spotted a new highlight. On the top, we have MECCA's signature enlightened powder, and on the bottom, she has a bronzy sister. Okay. I mean, I have to give this a go. Ooh, the glow. Yes, honey. Wow, so this palette's called Get Lit. I mean, yeah, same sis. Glowy life is a forever life, am I right? Well, what do we have here? MECCA Max delivering the goods. Because this pigment, sis. So we have highlight, blush, bronzer, eyeliner, lip gloss, and a whole bunch of shadows. Not to mention a mirror. Insane. There's always time for snacks. Oh look, it's me. Hey. Okay, so made it over to fragrance. Have some Byredo, some Frederic Malle, not to mention all of these diptyque candles. Candles make a great gift for like anyone you're unsure about, because who's gonna reject a candle, you know? Oh my gosh, my mum would love these. KURKDJIAN makes some amazing fragrances. My personal favorite would be Baccarat Rouge. And now, on to the skincare. These are a great way to introduce someone to a new brand or have them try some new products. So from TATCHA, we have the full-size Silk Cream, the Rice Polish, which is a really gentle exfoliator, the Camellia Cleansing Oil, which is great for taking your makeup off, and the Essence. I have the full-size at home and it's absolutely beautiful. This one also has the Dewy Skin Mist in the full size, which is amazing for giving your skin a really, really glowy look. And it also has minis of the Water Cream, Silk Canvas, and the Radiance Mask. Ooh, Stilla, what do you have in store for me? Okay, the pigment, okay. Oh, I've seen these duos in the store. They're really pretty. So we have some new colors. Now that's a swatch. Oh, Too Faced. Ladies and gentlemen, I can confirm it smells like gingerbread. I repeat, it smells like gingerbread. Okay, we love a gold moment, yes. Oh, a subtle shimmer, okay. Yes, we love pink tones. Oh my gosh, look at the peach tinsel set. It has like a shimmer loose powder, and look at this powder puff. Y'all are after more than my wallet. Y'all are after my heart. Guys, it's 3 palettes in one. What do you even mean? Ooh, that green is calling my name. Wow, so reflective. There is always time for the photo booth. Like, don't even at me. There is always time.
Okay, so that's all from me today, Beauty Junkies. Hopefully you had a fun time following me around the event. Super excited for everything to drop. Everything is available November 8th, so mark your calendars. Let me know what you're most excited for as well in the comments down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.